Hello and welcome to another Wobbly Camera Guide video. This is going to be a different video to the norm. You normally are made for doing my transistor radio reviews or a bit of hit film express editing, even a bit of food. I thought I'd share this with you this morning. Just something different that might resonate with a few of you. I took up running about 18 months ago. I'm really not looked back. I wanted to show you a running video that was a bit more realistic, a bit real life, rather than all these lovely sunny parks with super fit people running through with all their gear on. Oops, coming through. I wanted to show you what it's like a bit more real life, where it's an early morning, it's foggy, I'm just running through my estate. Sorry if I'm a bit breathless, but that's what it's about, it's exercise. So, where did I start? Okay, I'm 58, I want to see a few more decades yet, lots of things to do. About 18 months ago, on Sunday morning, I was out and I saw this woman, shall we say, of very mature years, and she was doing a little bit of a run. She got a pink top on, the black leggings, coat wrapped around her waist, doing a gentle little jog. And my first thought was, crikey, what's she doing? That fool. But in fact, I was the fool, because she was the one getting fit, and I was the one laughing at her. So, the next weekend, I grabbed an old pair of trainers, old pair of jog bottoms and a t-shirt, and actually went out. Now, that's the difficult bit, actually getting your bum through the door, because you're frightened, not frightened, but wary of what people will think. They might think you're stupid, or about the neighbours. So silly, I went out really early, and I did it for about 8-10 minutes, something like that. Come back absolutely knackered, sweating and all the rest of it. About an hour later, felt really good. So the following weekend I did exactly the same and started doing it bit by bit by bit and increasing it. And as you do, your confidence starts to grow. And I noticed that you just did things a bit better when you weren't out of breath, you felt a bit more alive, and it really helps you out. Especially if you are stuck indoors like a lot of us are at this moment with COVID, or you do a job that's in front of a computer. Our bodies aren't really geared to that. At the end of the day, a lot of us are outdoor people, even when the winter time. So, why am I making this video? Well, I want to show you that anybody can do it. I'm still in my scruffy top, jog bottoms and scruffy trainers, but I really don't care. The one thing it gives you is confidence, which I haven't got an awful lot of, but slowly but surely I'm getting it. So I'm running around here now. This is just my estate. It's a Saturday morning, so it's quite quiet. And the reason I've done that is I tried another time and the traffic noise just drowned everything out. But more importantly with this running malarkey, besides helping you out from your heart and your health, the biggest thing I found, and it's something I wasn't expecting, was your mind. It's your mindset that gets a workout, as well as your body. If you had like a crap day, either work, relationship, or other things, and you just want just to get everything out of your head, it is the best way. If you ever heard people call it referring to a mind dump, it's exactly what it is, because all of your thoughts, your negative thoughts, disappear and you just concentrate on the actual run. concentrate on your breathing, concentrate on your steps, and your thoughts are just simple and clear. And I found this a real bonus, because I've been wondering what to do in life and what direction I'm going. And you have all sorts of things going through your head. If I do, I'm sure you guys do. And this helps give a bit of focus and a bit of clarity. And it's one of the reasons why I actually started doing YouTube. That was the last thing I would have done. Somebody would have told me that 12 months ago. But a little step outside your comfort zone leads to bigger steps. So I'm glad I started doing that. That is thoroughly recommended. And so is this. It's just you, your thoughts, just going through some exercise. So, as I say, the hardest thing is getting your bum out the door for the first time. And I know it's tough. I know everybody thinks, you know, people are going to laugh, people are going to get ridiculed, they're going to get embarrassed. And you know what? It disappears. Because people don't. They actually, I think, recognise that you're trying to do something, but maybe they aren't, and wish that they did. So, people always tell you to walk down a certain path in life. You've got to go to work, you've got to do this, you've got to do that, you know, oh, you can't do this, nobody does that. But you know what? This helps you just walk a slightly different path, which is what I've been doing now for the last 12 months, trying to do something different that people maybe don't expect. I have to say, I'm so glad I did. Maybe I should have done this years ago, but it's never too late. So if you're watching this and you're sitting on your sofa, give it some consideration. It is worth it. And I'm just nobody really, just running on his estate, giving a little bit of real life, whereby it's not all glitz and glamour and perfect people with perfect bodies. This is a cold winter's morning, foggy, on an estate, with a 58-year-old bloke making a video about running. And the thing is, if I can do it and have the encouragement to make a video while he's running with his camera stuck at the end of a stick, and so can you. I would recommend it. So I'm going to leave you to it. You're probably fed up with my voice now, but I thought it worth sharing this with you. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, give me some comments on your experiences, see if they resonate with what I'm doing. And if you've got time, pop across to my channel, have a look at some more videos. Thanks for watching, take care, I'll catch up with you soon.